Hi, I'm Danny Lipford with today's Homeowner. You know, it seems like everyone is creating the perfect outdoor living space at their homes. I did that a couple years ago, and I started out with a washed aggregate slab. This is a fairly inexpensive way to create a really nice, attractive surface that works really well under the roof as well as outside by the pool. Another thing you want to make sure you have is a nice, comfortable place for everybody to eat those wonderful outdoor meals you'll be preparing. And then after they finish there, they need to relax a little bit and, of course, watch a little television. And I would recommend a weather-resistant television so that you can enjoy the ball games or whatever you want to watch on television. Of course, we're talking about food, and you really get hungry when you're outside like this. My recommendation, plenty of countertop, a nice quality grill, and more important than anything, a real good quality vent hood so that you can make sure that the smoke goes all the way to the outside and doesn't smoke up your nice, beautiful ceiling or potentially ruin your family gathering. Now, speaking of ruining a family gathering, I'll tell you, rain and the summer storms are knocking out power like I've never seen before. But you can protect your family against that particular situation by having a portable generator like this one. And this one actually is a dual fuel that works off of both gas as well as propane. And this will provide the essential power that you need to save your family gathering, or in many cases, provide power for your freezer, your refrigerator. Don't forget the coffee pot, maybe a fan and a few lights. So it's a great peace of mind to have a portable generator to help get you through the summer. And you can find out more information at todayshomeowner.com.